What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got a new video for y'all. So today's video, not a good one. This is already 2 days later now, so not a good one. Car's broke. Y'all will kind of see what happened. And man, went out to Little River on Friday, had good weather, so super excited about that. I was ready to set a new PB and see what we could really do with the car in some decent weather, because we haven't even ran the car in good weather at all. So I was really excited about that. Went out, first couple passes. Actually, we'll talk about the rest later, but I'll go ahead and roll y'all into the footage from the night, and then we'll talk about kind of what happened.
Get there, boss.
First pass. Hope it's a good one. And felt it right away. I'm at to lower the tire pressure. Tire pressure is probably too high. I was in a rush, man. I was in a rush to make that pass. Alright, guys. Second pass. I did not get a good burnout. I don't know what was going on, but probably just gonna blow the tires off again. They just resprayed the track, so this is our shot at making a new PB. Got a good burnout, it seemed like. Shifting it myself out of first. And my tablet's messing up, so I can't start a new log. shift, dude. I might have broke something. I might have fucking broke something, dude, in that burnout. Thank you. If the car don't shift, then we probably broke something. So I hope we didn't break nothing. I hope we can make at least one pass. Fuck, man, I broke something. I broke something, man. All right, so let's kind of go over the passes real quick. So first two passes I spun. The first pass was my best pass of the night because I only had two full passes and they were the first two passes before they resprayed the track. So I had to pedal it on both of those. The first pass I pedaled it a little better, so I ran faster on the first pass, but spun on the first two passes. Neither one of them were great. And then we waited till they were going to respray the track. They finally resprayed it. Went up there and did my burnout. And one thing I noticed during that burnout after they resprayed it, so I started the burnout, went to second, that way the wheel speed can get higher and it just makes the burnout a little quicker. So I noticed when I was coming out of the burnout, when I was starting to roll out of it, when I looked down, when I was starting to actually let off, I saw somehow it went into third gear. I don't know if I accidentally bumped a shifter or not, but somehow it went to third gear and then it grabbed because I let out of the throttle. And when it grabbed, honestly, it didn't it seemed really rough, and it kind of made like a sound that didn't sound good. And I was like, oh damn, I hope nothing's hurt, which it didn't sound like crazy bad, but it did sound different. So I'm pretty sure that's what did it. Or on the second pass of the night, same thing on the burnout, I don't think they really threw any water down. And so I did my burnout, it started, I shifted to second. When I shifted to second, it didn't really, want to continue the burnout. So I was trying to force it, which again, that's my fault. I shouldn't have tried to force it to do a burnout. I tried to force it, so I mean, it could have either been from that or the burnout on the third pass, where where it kind of, you know, when it grabbed and, you know, it didn't sound the best. So I don't know, but something with the transmission is hurt. And I brought it up here. I'm at work right now. I brought it up here. We're going to check it out, see what the issue is. Hopefully it's just like a solenoid or something. But I kind of have a feeling it's probably going to be some internal stuff as far as like the actual plates and stuff go that are inside the transmission. But on that third pass, man, right after they resprayed the track, on that pass, I 60-footed the best 60-foot I've ever had in my life. And like, if it would have just shifted, man, oh, it would have made such a good pass. And so, you know, that was the whole point of going out there, trying to make a hero pass pretty much. And we would have did that with the 60-foot that I had. So it's probably going to be hard to get that same 60-foot again. But like I said, we got to fix the transmission. If it's something internal, I'm debating, like as far as the plates and stuff go, I'm debating if I should just build it or if I should just do stock parts, because I do work for GM. So, I mean, I can get stock parts at, you know, a discounted price. Versus if I were to buy upgraded internals, then obviously I'm not going to get a discount on that. So, so yeah, that's kind of where we're at, man. We broke the car, didn't really get a solid pass for the night, and I'm down bad, man. That's how it goes, though. That's racing. This is really like the first time the car is actually broke. You know, last time, you know, I thought I had an issue with the fuel pump. Ended up being just a bug on the MAF sensor. Can't talk. Ended up just being a bug on the MAF sensor, but this time the car is actually broke. There's something wrong with it internally as far as the transmission goes. So hopefully we'll get that fixed soon, and you know, hopefully this doesn't keep us out too long, because I did join a rental in Baytown. It's called Quick 30. It's December 12th. I did join that rental, so I'm hoping for good weather then, but I'm also hoping to get the transmission done by then. I know if I can get the parts and stuff, I know I can have it done by then, but honestly, I'm broke right now, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to have the money to get the transmission done, you know, ASAP. So we'll just have to wait and see on that. But like I said, that's how it goes, man. That's racing. It sucks. Like, we were hoping to go out there, you know, set a new PB and, you know, just see how fast we can get the car to go. And I'm pretty sure it was going to go pretty fast, but should have, could have, would have, you know, shit happens. At the end of the day, we didn't make a good pass. So, so it is what it is, man. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. New to the channel, please subscribe. And I will catch you on the next video.